Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to make Facebook Reels and how to share this particular Reels in your friends. So what is the process and how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile. Just simply open here Facebook page, and now I'm providing you demo for this particular reel, how to create or how to use already if you are created a reel. So here top of the screen reel options are available. Inside the reel option you can simply select one of the reel here, otherwise here audio options are available and you can select any of the audio and accordingly create your Facebook page reel. I just simply select here one of my reel here.
ब्रेकअप के बाद दुखी वही होता है जिनको दूसरी पटानी नहीं आती.
Then going to the next, and here you can put it here the description. Also you can put it here as a hashtag, so this hashtag I'll help you to going to the viral your video. So again done, share this reel, and now this reel are published on my Facebook reel. So wait couple of seconds, I'm publishing here already created reel. So look at this, my reels are comes here. You can like, dislike, comment and share. So simply I go with my reel menu. So here, so look at this here, my several Facebook reels I already done, you can see here. So suppose for example I just simply
ब्रेकअप के बाद दुखी वही होता है जिनको दूसरी पटानी नहीं आती.
So here
होता है जिनको दूसरी पटानी नहीं आती.
share now in
ब्रेकअप के बाद
page,
दुखी वही होता है जिनको दूसरी पटानी नहीं आती.
which person you want.
ब्रेकअप के बाद दुखी वही होता है जिनको दूसरी पटानी नहीं आती.
You can copy this.
ब्रेकअप के बाद दुखी वही होता है
and send using your WhatsApp simply here, and someone are accessing this my Instagram reel after clicking
ब्रेकअप के बाद दुखी वही होता है.
simple process to create a reel. After creating, share your reel for the other person. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.